I'm dead. Oh, what should I do? The evil queen has cursed my 7 little friends, and now all they can say are the beginning sounds of this strange Oriental language. What should I do, my friends? What if the evil queen hits again? Do I need to start cooking ethnic food? Who's that outside my window floating? Oh, an apple? Thank you, lady! With a strangely long nose. This apple is going to make my day! A fresh food! Oh, I feel得特纳了。吱吱是，滋滋森。一五。Hi everybody, 你们好. Welcome back to the world of the Asian Snow White and her 7 little friends. And another episode of Mandarin with Ray. Today we're going to talk about consonant sounds in Mandarin Pinyin, and we have some music sponsored by my backyard neighbor, and we're gonna work with it and dance to it and have fun. In Mandarin Pinyin, each character represents 1 syllable in pronunciation, and each syllable is made up with 声母 and 韵母. 声母 is the head, the beginning part of each syllable, and 韵母 is the body and the final part of it. Usually, each syllable would always have a 韵母, which is your mother. Everybody has one. Not every syllable has a 声母, which is your mother-in-law. Some people do, some people don't. Today we're talking about the mother-in-laws, which are usually the consonants. And like what we have seen in that little short sketch at the beginning of this video, the 7 little dwarfs represent 7 sets of consonant sounds, and we're gonna take a look at them one by one. How do you know it's summer? Your backyard neighbor is partying amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, and the ice cream truck is out. Let's take a look at the 7 sets of consonants. The first set, 波, 坡, 摸, 佛. As you notice, they all have the vowel sound O in it. It's because they actually make the sound really familiar to Mandarin speakers, and thus making the system easier for Mandarin speakers to remember. But for people who are not in a Mandarin speaking environment, it might be an extra step. So we're just gonna break it down to what we can easily remember. Say 波 is the consonant sound B and the vowel O, 波. And 剥 means peel in Mandarin. 剥, 剥. Po means pour. Po, po. Mo means touch. Mo, mo. Fo means Buddha. Fo, fo. The second set, de, te, ne, le. This set of consonant sounds has the vowel in it. De means of. De, te means special. Te. Ne indicates of action that is happening. Ne, used with verbs we have learned before, like sleeping. 睡觉，睡觉呢 means someone is sleeping. 睡觉呢 You can use that to answer what are you doing? 睡觉呢 Le means an action has finished. Used with a verb we've learned before, 吃饭 eating. 吃饭了 I have eaten. 吃饭了 The third set, 歌 ke, he, are also involving the sound e. 哥 means brother. 哥哥 哥哥 brother. Ke means hit. Ke, ke. He means drink. He, he. The fourth set is a little hard to pronounce. They're the set that Sneezy was representing, and these are the marks that he made with his booger. Ji, ji, qi, qi, xi, xi. I would recommend remembering these sounds without relating them to English much. If you start anew, they are easier for you. Just try to put the English sounds aside, or whatever your mother tongue sounds aside, and remember them as ji, qi, xi. And they are easily the sounds you would make when you're sneezing. Ji, ji, qi, qi, xi, xi. Ji itself means chicken. Ji, qi means 7. Qi, xi means the sound of laughter. As in English, sometimes we say he is a mischievous laughter. In Chinese, xi is the mischievous laughter. So laugh with me. Xi. The next set we're learning are the grumpy sounds. Zhi, chi, shi, ri. This set in contrast with the next set, the happy sounds, zi, ci, si, is easier to remember. When you're making the grumpy sounds, put your lips together more. Zhi, chi, shi, ri. The zhi sound would remind you of knowledge, which in Mandarin means 知识. Knowledge, 知识. Chi means eat. Like we've learned before, 吃饭, eating a meal. 吃饭. Shi means wet. Shi. Ri means the sun. Ri. The R sound is a little different than what we would be used to in English. It is not as curled up. as you would say car, your tongue is going back more. So let your tongue relax a little bit more. This sound. Now the happy sounds. Peel the corners of your lips apart. Z, c, s. Zi, like we've learned before, it means child. 儿子 means son. 儿子 呲牙 means show your teeth. Exactly the action you're doing when you're pronouncing it. 呲牙 S means think. S. And that brings us to the last set, I and U. You would notice they sound like the vowel sounds I and U. Yes, they are the same. The difference is when a vowel syllable starts with I and U, it cannot be alone. It will have to come with the mother-in-law, which means I and U. The one vowel sound we need to remember especially is U sound. When U and the combination of U vowels appear alone, it will come with the consonant sound I. Like what we've learned before, in yue is a good example to remember for when the consonant I would come in. In yue and U will come with the consonant sound U. Like U yun means dark cloud. U yun. Let's take a look at the 7 sets together. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zhi, zhi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, I, U. And we're getting really festive here, so I will call that the end of the video. Hopefully you have enjoyed the sketch and learning the consonant sounds. All the mother-in-laws are very happy you're learning about them. So if you want to find out when I upload my new videos, click on the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. If you want an extra kick in exercising your Mandarin, find me on Patreon at patreon.com/mandarinwithray. On there, I offer the post that's accompanying each YouTube video that has extra exercises, and also direct messages so you can get in touch with me and voice to me your specific needs. Also, if you are looking for some private lessons, look me up. Also, if you're looking for some private lessons, I will be offering them on my Patreon as well. I know it's a huge package up there, but if you have something in mind that we can work out, let me know through direct message. And that's all for today. We're gonna go dance.